Okay, so here's the codes. Okay, so we're paying more attention to wheel speed sensor. Wheel speed sensor is going to give us all these other signals in codes. We don't care about any of them. And that's the only one right there. Okay, so we're going to work on, like I said, it could be a bad wheel bearing or the sensor got hit because of the bad wheel bearing. All right, so we're going to continue the job. And after that, we're going to reset this. The lights are probably going to go off once you drive, but you still need to come over here and do a reset. So let me just show you how to do a reset. So once you're done, you're just going to clear codes. Okay, you see that? Clear codes. You're going to go down clear codes and clear codes and continue. And if you don't have a scan tool, you want to go buy it. It's worth it. Go get a cheap scan tool. But for interlock system, you need to go deep into the system. The regular cheap scan tools, they're only going to go into your check engine module. And let's see how this job goes. We're going to remove the wheel lock here. So if you're using impact on this, go easy. Usually they recommend you take this off on the floor. But there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're gonna remove this ABS sensor since we got ABS code. So hopefully this ABS sensor did not get damaged. And let's see how it goes. Okay, so I went and got me an 8mm. That's what this is for the ABS here. And 8mm socket. And go easy on this bolt. Sometimes it's corroded, it's rusted in there, and it won't come out. It will snap, so you don't want to snap a bolt. And after that, what you want to do is sometimes these sensors will get stuck in there, so you want to go easy on this sensor also. And I'm gonna go get a needle nose. Okay, so we got our needle nose. We took off the 8mm here, and I don't know if the camera captured it. That's crazy. So this sensor, it took a hit. You see that? It took a hit. The damage has been done to the sensor. And I don't know how bad it is, but let's get ourselves a new ABS sensor, which connects kind of like down there. So to change out this ABS sensor, what we did was remove the 8mm bolt, and I am doing a hub, bearing, axle, and this little guy. And this guy comes off from right in there, and you take off the 8mm, and then this one took a damage. Okay, so we got the ABS light on, traction light, everything is on, and I probed this all out of there. We're gonna push this guy off from right here. So this is how easy it is to change an ABS sensor on this car. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to take our camera inside the bit, which is not gonna be so pretty to go in there because there's no space anywhere in here. So in here you have a connector here. Okay, so all you're doing is there's another holder here up here. See this little guy right here? It's both of these are here. Let's zoom up the camera a bit. I'm trying to get the best angle with the camera, which is not happening. It's not happening. So pretty much this is what I'm taking off right here. And then let's see if I took off the correct one. Yep. And it's the top connector here. The connector has a small little clip inside, and what you want to do here is you want to squeeze that tab, and the connector comes right off. And we're gonna go get ourselves a new ABS sensor. Here's the new ABS sensor. It's a Motorcraft. Okay, there's a part number here, BRAB4941X. There's another number here, 5763323. I believe that's the number. There's a number above that. JG like George, 9Z like Zebra, 2 Charlie, 205 Apple. Okay, inside this package we got a good old Ford. Okay, oh, they give you this little bracket with this. That's great. That's great. But okay, I'm gonna keep the old one in there. There's a reason why, because it's thicker. This is thicker than this. And if you want to put this in, all you need to do is take off the sway bar. You don't want to go, that's going to be a hassle, so be careful with that. So this guy comes off. So here's our new ABS sensor on this baby, and this is the connectors in, and this is the sensor side. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to simply go in there, and we're going to connect this sensor. So what you want to do here is you want to take this sensor, and it's only going to go one way. You cannot go wrong. And you stick this baby in, you're going to feel it click. It should not come out. And once you feel that click, you are good to go. And this wire is kind of small to get connected up here. Maybe if you can move this. Can we move this? Does it move? Okay, it doesn't move. Okay, I'm going the wrong way, so it has to face up. Perfect. So this guy, I was trying to face down, but it's got to face up. A little bit WD-40 will help you out, but if you don't need it, you should be fine. But WD-40 will help you out. And then you're going to connect this guy right here. So this is the passenger side front ABS sensor. So same procedure for the other side. This guy come right through here, and then it gets connected in here. If you want to put a little bit of greasing on it, that's fine, but usually I'm fine without it. And what we want to do here is you want to put that one bolt in there, and we're gonna lock that up, and this guy goes right in here. So we got ourselves an 8mm hand tight. We're gonna tighten this guy. Okay, my wrench is going the wrong way. Okay, just hand tight. You don't want to go crazy. And that's it. Okay, so make sure your line is not going to hit the wheel or anything like that. It's perfectly connected. Make sure the connector's in. Now I am all done. That's how you're going to replace the ABS sensor. It's the same procedure on the opposite side. And I still got to torque this. Other than that, I'm tight on the 4 bolts. I'm tight on this, and I'm going to put the brakes on.